Student, if you belong to any part of India and if you are not getting government college, then certainly you will be looking for low fees private college in India. Kerala is the only state where the fee structure is 7 lakh, 8 lakh per annum in private college. In this video, I'll give you the complete cutoff score and the rank in Kerala private college for the open category student, the student who does not belong to Kerala. So go through the video till end. If student is not getting MBBS in government college based on their NEET rank, then the next option for them is low fees private college. Now when low fees private college comes in the mind, then the first option which comes, that is Kerala state, because in Kerala state fee structure in the private college is approximately 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs per annum. So altogether, excluding hostel and the mess fees, it will be around 35 lakhs altogether, which is considered as a reasonable fees considering the private college in different states. And that is the reason many students who does not get admissions in government college MBBS, they prefer Kerala as their destination for MBBS in the private college. In Kerala state, 15% seats of different private colleges are reserved for open category. Open category means all India category student, the student who does not belong to the Kerala domicile. So 15% seats are for the all India students. In today's video, I'll give you the cutoff rank and the score of Kerala private colleges in 2024. From that, you will get an idea how much you have possibility in Kerala private college based on your NEET score and the rank. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. Now we will be giving you all informations related to the NEET UG 2025 admissions in our YouTube channel. So if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel to get all the relevant information. So let's start with the cutoff in different private colleges. Student, in Kerala state, many reputed private colleges are there. Few of the colleges are Amla Institute of Medical Science, Jubilee Missions, Believer Church. These all are very, very reputed private college in Kerala. In Kerala, fees 7 to 8 lakhs per annum and 15% seats are reserved for the open category, all India category students. In this video, I'll share with you the round 1 cutoff rank and cutoff score for private college, open category, and a round 2 also. Now, for your understanding, when I'll tell you about the score only, so you will be able to connect easily. But rank also I have mentioned here. So if you want to know the cutoff rank, that also you can get it from the screen. Okay. First, I'll tell you about Amla Institute of Medical Science, which is in Thrissur. Amla is very reputed private college. As I told you, Amla open category, round 1 cutoff was 655 and the round 2 cutoff was 652. Next is Azizia Institute of Medical Science. Scored round 1 cutoff score was 626 and the round 2 was 617. Believers Church, round 1 cutoff was 647 and round 2 was 644. Moppets Medical College, 623 was the round 1 cutoff rank score and the round 2 583. See, the cutoff score is comparatively low. MES Medical College, 648 was the cutoff score and the round 1 and the round 2 646. Gokula Medical College, round 1 cutoff score 646 and round 2 cutoff score 644. Jubilee Missions, 665. Jubilee Mission is one of the best private medical college in Kerala. The cutoff score was 665 round 1 and the round 2 657. KM City, round 1 cutoff was 640 and round 2 is 628. PK Das in Institute of Medical Science, round 1 was 630 and the round 2 is 623. Malankara Orthodox, Malankara is also very reputed private college in Kerala. Malankar Orthodox, round 1 cutoff 651, round 2 648. Malabar Institute of Medical Science, round 1 cutoff is 636 and the round 2 is 635. Mount Zion, round 1 cutoff 621, round 2 613. Pushpagiri Medical College, which is also considered is a standard college in Kerala. Pushpagiri, round 1 cutoff 650, round 2 cutoff 647. Somerville Memorial 637, round 1 cutoff and round 2 is 627. SUT Academy 637 was the round 1 cutoff and the round 2 cutoff is 612. Travancore 635 is the round 1 cutoff and the round 2 is 632. Al-Azhar Medical College, round 1 cutoff 619 and round 2 cutoff 610. Sri Narayana Medical College, round 1 cutoff 626 and the round 2 cutoff is 622. Students, this is all about the cutoff score of different private college in round 1 and round 2. Here, the rank is also mentioned. If you want to know the rank, you can go through that. Now, what conclusions you can come here? If you see, if your NEET score or more precisely NEET rank is above 70,000, 60,000, then you will be getting the private college in Kerala for sure. Most of the cases, you can see 610, okay, 613, around 60, 63,000. So around 60, 70,000 plus, if your rank is, means above 60,000 rank, if you have, then definitely you'll be getting the private college in Kerala. So this is a conclusions from here. From this cutoff of 2024, the student who belong to different states in India, if your rank is above 60,000, above 50,000, who are not getting government college, definitely you can try Kerala to get the low fees private college for MBBS admission. Student, if you feel this information is beneficial for you, you can like this video. If you have not yet subscribed the YouTube channel, you can subscribe the YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get all the information immediately. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you want our counseling guidance for this counseling services, you can contact in this number 9900 486666 for the complete counseling guidance in different states and the All India Counseling. Thank you so much, students.